That was weird. What happened? I have no idea. So, how about red velvet with vanilla frosting?
That was Isabella and Gretchen. I did that one to do my voicing characters patch.
That's great.
I'm really good. Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Guess what that one was? It's a male voice.
Annoying?
No, it was Phineas. I know kinds of characters' voices. Oh, you're gonna be so busted!
Why don't we go over see what Baljeet is doing? Because we've done that before.
Oh, what was that, Mr. Fredrickson?
What was that one?
That wasn't me. Oh, it was Russell's stomach.